Hey kids, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeremy, and today I am working on my Go Kart. However, I need Kaiden to help me put this thing back together. Not only that, but guess what? Kaiden's birthday is coming up, and I've got a special surprise for him. However, he doesn't know yet, but you guys are gonna have to wait and see what we did. However, I need to find him to help me put this whole Go Kart back together again so I can go race against him. Who do you guys think is gonna be faster? Kaiden or Dad? I guess we'll have to find out on the track. I'm gonna go find him. He can help me put this back together. He's really good with all these tools. Let's go. Hey guys, I found Kaiden. He's over here working in the race shop. What are you working on, Kaiden?
The razor.
The razor? Awesome. Well, you know what? I need some help with my Go Kart, putting it all back together. You think you could help me?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, so I got the seat right here. I love driving, so I think we should put the seat in first. Look at, that's ready to go, right?
Yeah, that's a good idea, but you forgot the tools to at least tighten the bolts so then the seat will mount on.
I can't just have my seat floating around?
No, you're gonna fall off.
Oh man, all right. Well, I guess let's go get our toolbox out of the garage and we'll bring it out here and start putting this together.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, Jesus, what is this?
I don't know.
It's I Go Kart. See you Go Kart.
You see the what?
And it's yellow. That was easy.
What is that?
No.
What is that?
OMG. That's an 100.
Yeah, that's 100 cc.
Oh, this is so cool.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Thanks. OMG.
You're like speechless. You don't
Yes.
even know what to say. I love you.
I'm speechless.
Yeah. Love you. Give me a hug. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thanks. my brand new Go Kart Campo. And I got a lot of work to do. As you can see, I started cleaning my Go Kart, but the tires are flat. So I got a lot of work to do. If you guys want to learn how to put air in a tire, you guys can go to our new Growing Your Garage experience. And that's all I got. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.